Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end of day report is for trading on Wednesday, August the 30th, 2017. I do apologize for the sound this morning. I don't know what happened. I tried to, backtrack some things. I just don't know what happened. I can't figure it out. So anyway, hopefully this video will sound much better. All right, jumping right into the charts here. Let's see where we are now that we've completed half the week. All right, so far, silver on the weekly chart is maintaining a bullish stance. It wants to get deeper into the Kumo cloud. We did spike into it, but we haven't stayed there. We're now back below the Kumo cloud, but momentum is still on silver side, and all things being considered, it looks like it wants to go higher. Taking a look at gold. All right, here's the gold chart, same thing. Nice uplift. Market is still in a bullish stance, bullish position. Take a look at Bitcoin on the equity side, GBTC. The market hit a new high, $932.30. And here we are. The market closed up almost $100 today. And this thing has just been on a tear. All right. So there you go with that. Looking at NVIDIA. NVIDIA caught sort of a bid today. But not nearly enough, but I think it's still in a bullish position. I would have expected it to move a lot more since it's been moving in tandem with Bitcoin rather nicely, but it's the momentum of it, the thrust of it is starting to come off. But don't sleep on NVIDIA. I think it's about to become parabolic here shortly to the upside. Looking at AMD. AMD also caught a bid today, but not as powerful as I would have expected it to be, closing up only up 32 cents. I mean, that's not a lot, but hey, you take what you can get. All right, taking a look at Hack. Okay, Hack closed up today 34 cents as well. We're at 29.47. It's gaining in momentum. So it looks like we have a possible breakout top side back above the $30 handle. $30 handle is in play. We'll see how it behaves once it gets there. But this could be another security threat headed our way. Let's look at the energy sector, XLE. All right, energy is still down in the dumps. Weekly momentum is still pointing down. However, the market's trying to go straight here. If we can get a close this week above 63.51, then the bottom, short-term bottom's in, and energy could bounce. All right, let's parlay that and take a look at the crude oil futures. Crude oil futures right now, just gaining on downside momentum, picking up, flirting with breaking below the bottom of the Kumo cloud. And hey, what can you say? The Kumo cloud of death, you whipsaw up and down, play the ranges. We're already at top side. Now we're hitting bottom side. Perhaps it'll bounce back up again and just keep going up and down, up and down. There's no clear trend here. It's just flat, but has an extraordinary sideways trading range. So you got to be on the lookout for that. Looking at the strong bond, 155.24 right now, and it is inside the Kumo cloud. And momentum's has fallen off a little bit. Needs to close above 155.08 this week in order to maintain this bullish stance and carry over some more rally potential into next week. All right, what else we got? Let's take a look at the dollar. Dollar's at 92.85, rallied a whopping 60 pips, getting closer. It's flirting with trying to get up to that momentum. 93.18 is what it needs to close above this week if we're going to say the short-term bottom is in, and we'll have to wait and see how that manifests. Meanwhile, the euro has given back quite a bit of ground. 119.05, up 2 pips right now, but you can see it's fallen from 120.82, so you got almost a full point sorry, full 2 points, 200 pips. It's fallen. It needs to maintain a close above 118.36 this week if it's going to maintain this this bullish run. If not, it's going to lose momentum, and 114.92 is in place, and that's a 500 pip drop for the euro. That's pretty nasty. Let's take a look at the mighty Nasdaq, since we're talking about that. And you can see here on the weekly, it is popping out now, wants to make a run up to that 6,000, wants to break 6,000, and I think 6,000 is in play topside on the Nasdaq. Taking a look at XIV is trying to regain its footing, and if it can do that, then $100 is definitely in play, and that's what it's going to be gunning for. All right, failure to do that, and then $66 will be in play. So either way you put it, it's at a crossroads. It's either going to rally up 20 bucks or it's going to drop 20 bucks. We're at the crossroads in XIV. Okay, I think that's about it. So remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back, and do yourself a favor. Come on over to postwavetrading.com and learn how to trade these markets. Put yourself in the position to make some real serious money. Peace. And I am out.